I'm going to go to Ultra from now on.
Go ahead, son, let's go.
I need a beat, man.
Put the light on better.
Yeah, I'm going to come over.
AlBe here with Human Nature Magazine. First of all, I want to know is what are the call you? Are you triple threat? Why triple threat?
Put the light on.
I mean, it depends who you're talking to, man. If you talk to the right person, I might be a threat. If you talk to my people, they just look at it like, I don't use it. I ain't a threat to nobody. What thrives on the shit that we thrive on is making records that you haven't heard. There's nobody. I'm Puerto Rican. I'm half Puerto Rican. I don't know how to speak Spanish that well. I'm not the greatest Spanish speaker in the world, but I got a record on the radio with just a Spanish hook. That all my dudes know that before the record. They were saying that. So I think my whole thing is about making things, about pushing the limit and doing things that everybody's just like, I can't do. I can't talk about love. I gotta talk about fire. But then we heard that song already. We got that album. We want this album. Something different. That's what we used to love. Our quiet song came out from AlBe. We ain't never heard nothing like that. When Big did what he did, we ain't never heard nothing like that. I don't want to hear the same ad-lib, the same. I don't want to hear that. When something new.
Your album, we talk about some of the stuff, but it's trying to do what you say.
It's that ghetto, block, bodega. That's the bodega, big. Bodega, you just walk down the bodega. You look at me in Arizona IC, you might see something on fire and you go, yeah. So what we want is our people to just, you know what I think I did with here? I feel like I made the Bronx smile. You know what I mean? That's hard to do. One, because niggas in the Bronx, they don't be smiling. And two, nobody's been talking about the Bronx or having a voice. So what I did with them was I just wanted them to be happy. Just to smile. You know what I mean? And I think we accomplished that. It just so happens that I'm making the beat. So when I hear it in my head and what I want, it's just ill. Like, I like to say shit that I feel like everybody else wanted to say was gonna say it, but at the same time I like to say it in my way. You know what I mean? So there's no route that we're going. We're not going to a specific route. We're going to a destination, and that destination is 100% great. More than everything that we do. We don't put out a song unless that shit is real. You know? So whatever we do, it's gotta be. There's no such thing as second place. I don't even know what second place is. That's what I want. That's what I want to create. And the music, I want to create that sound. Because we were first. You know what I mean? We invented this shit. We're the mother. Going at it? That's him right there? Here's the thing. I'm not trying to, it's with camera. The camera. We're not trying to bring New York back. We're being so New York to the point where you got we're not trying anything. We're not even doing with human beings. My company is called Just Be. If that's who you are, then you're going to succeed. You're going to be. Kobe can't be anything less than dope because he's dope. trying to bring, you'll never really hear me go, I'm bringing New York back. Nah, man. I ain't never leave. I've been here. You know what I mean? KRS-One never left, man. Jay never left. You know what I mean? 50 never left. Cam, man, we always have that music. You know what I mean? Anytime somebody go into a Dipset set, they go in there. You go into a whole set of 50 set, you go in there. We've done so much that there's no such thing as bringing it back. I don't even know what bringing it back is except my name.
We hit.
What's going on?
Sure.
Right now,
Nah, I did a record with, I did a movie with Losos. For Losos, and nah, man, it's just being, you know, like I said, just being. We're just whatever happens in our journey, we're taking on there. I can't look at it like that because you know why?
Oh my God. Get out there with freaks, huh? I'm coming.
I can't.
Go out there with hands, Never let it go away. Never let it go away. You got the mic on stand? Mic on stand? A lot of people don't know this, but with one, writing, I was writing, like he was writing, but when one was rapping, like one would have his notebook on his TV, and he would write a joint. And while he wrote the joint, while Fun wrote the joint, his son was just too young to be around him. You know what I mean? And know what he's talking about. So he would talk to me, he would go, hey, yo, I shot the drink like Jordan, the sauce bad, and the team was gorgeous, and we off rap like I had to eat garden. I hear wait for my face. Carving my initials on the forehead. So every night before bed, you see the each shot on the forehead. So I was soaking it up, you know what I mean? I never looked at it like a